In this video, we're going to show you how to install a set of grips on the 2008 and newer Harley Davidson models equipped with the electronic throttle. We'll be installing a set of Performance Machine Contour XL grips on a 2011 Street Glide. The installation of each grip set is different, but all of them will use basic tools. The tools we'll be using for this installation are a drill and bit set, Torx 25 and a Torx 27, 5/64 Allen wrench, brake cleaner, and a razor blade. We're also going to be using some high-strength thread locker and a pick for the set screw install. Most of your grip sets will come with a set of instructions to further help with the installation. When installing the grips on your Harley Davidson, you need to be careful removing the throttle grip. Inside the switch housing is your front brake switch, and if you don't pay attention, it can be broken while swapping the grips out. The best way to avoid this is to take a piece of cardboard, fold it in half, pull in the brake lever, and install the cardboard between the lever and the perch. This will give the switch plenty of clearance while the new grip is installed. The first step is to remove the two Torx 25 switch housing screws. There's one on the top and one on the bottom. Once those screws are removed, we'll need to loosen the Torx 27 master cylinder bar clamp screws. Now we can split the switch housing and slide the grip off the bar. After the grip is removed, you need to make sure that the throttle sensor is installed firmly inside the bar. Now we're ready to install our new throttle grip. Slide it onto the bar and into the switch housing, making sure that the grip is firmly in place. Go ahead and reinstall both switch housing screws. We'll make our final hand position adjustments once both grips are installed. At this point, we can remove the cardboard piece from the brake lever. Now moving to the other side, remove the two switch housing screws and loosen both clutch perch bar clamp screws. Split the switch housing apart and you can see the shoulder of the grip is sitting inside. In some cases it may require cutting the grip with the razor blade to remove it from the bar, but in our case we were able to break the glue free by twisting the grip. After you remove the grip, it's important to make sure that the bar end is clean. You want to have all the old glue residue off the bar before installing the new grip. Brake cleaner does a good job with getting everything off the bar end. As we stated earlier, each install will be different, with some grips sitting partially inside the switch housing as this stock one did. Other grips will butt up against the housing shoulder, as we'll show you on this grip set. Reinstall the two housing screws. We're going to leave them a bit loose for now until we make our final adjustment. Now we're going to put the new grip on the bar, making sure it's where we want it before marking our set screw position. We're using the pick to mark both locations for our set screw detents. Once we've got the positions marked, remove the grip and using an 1/8 inch drill bit, drill two small dimples into the bar. This will ensure that the grip will not rotate when the set screws are installed. You'll want to be extremely careful when doing this so that you don't accidentally cause any damage to the bike. Next, apply a small amount of high-strength thread locker to each set screw and install them into the grip. Once you've installed the first set screw, slightly twist the grip to make sure the set screw is sitting in the dimple. Then go ahead and install the second screw. Snug each screw down using a 5/64 Allen wrench. With both grips installed, we're now ready to make our final hand position adjustments. It's a good idea to have the rider sitting on the bike, indicating where each lever is most comfortable. Once you have both levers in the desired location, tighten both the switch housing screws and the bar clamp screws on each side. Now the grips are installed. Before riding with your new grips, it's important to make sure that your brake switch and your throttle are functioning properly. And that's all there is to installing a new set of grips on an electronic throttle equipped Harley Davidson. Now get out and enjoy the road. Rocky Mountain ATV MC carries a large selection of aftermarket grips for your bike. To find these grips and other accessories to make your ride a whole lot more classy and comfortable, visit our website, www.rockymountainatvmc.com. Thanks for watching.